പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട അധ്യാപകരെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, +2 ബോട്ടണിയിലെ 2ാം വർഷ പരീക്ഷ എഴുതാൻ പോവുകയാണല്ലോ. അതിൽ ഒരു ഫൈനൽ ടച്ചപ്പ് എന്ന നിലയിൽ കുറച്ച് റിവിഷൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് പാർട്ട് 1 ഒന്നാമത്തെയും 2ാമത്തെയും ലെസനെ അധികരിച്ച് ഇട്ടിരുന്നു. ഇത് 3ാമത്തെ ലെസൺ സ്ട്രാറ്റജീസ് ഫോർ ദി എൻഹാൻസ്മെൻറ്റ് ഇൻ ഫുഡ് പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ എന്ന ലെസനെ അധികരിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, fill in the blank. Dash virus created a scare in the country and drastically affected egg and chicken consumption. Answer is bird flu virus അല്ലെങ്കിൽ H5N1 വൈറസ്, അതുമല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏവിയൻ ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസ വൈറസ് എന്നിങ്ങനെ വിവിധ പേരുകളിൽ അറിയപ്പെടുന്ന വൈറസാണ്. 2ാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ജേഴ്സി ഈസ് ആൻ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ബ്രീഡ് ഓഫ് കാറ്റിൽ. A. Define breed. B. Differentiate between inbreeding and outbreeding. Answer A. A group of animals related by descent and similar in most characters like general appearance, features, sizes, configuration, etc. are called a breed. Inbreeding, the mating of more closely related individuals within the same breed for 4 to 6 generations is called inbreeding. Outbreeding, breeding of the unrelated animals of the same breed but having no common ancestors for 4 to 6 generations is called outbreeding. Question number 3. Breeding between animals of the same breed is called inbreeding. Write the steps of inbreeding. Answer. Identifies superior male and female of the same breed and mate them in pairs. After that, from that offspring, identifies the superior male and female of the progeny for further mating. Then select the best breed. In this way, inbreeding is done. Question number 4. Write the advantages and disadvantages of inbreeding. Advantages: inbreeding increase homozygosity, evolve pure line, accumulation of desirable gene and elimination of less desirable gene. These are occurring in inbreeding process. The disadvantages are, it exposes harmful recessive genes. Continued inbreeding reduces fertility. Inbreeding depression. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം, when inbreeding depression becomes a problem, how can we overcome the issue? Answer. Select animals from inbred population and mate them with unrelated superior animals of the same breed. This is called outcrossing. This process helps to restore fertility and yield. Question number 6. Match the following column A with column B. Column A, 1. Inbreeding. 2. Interspecific hybridization. 3. Outcrossing. 4. Crossbreeding. Column B, A. Crossbreeding between 2 different related species. B. Mating of animals within the same breed but having no common ancestors. C. Superior males of one breed are mated with superior females of another breed. And D. Breeding between the animals of same breed. Answer. 1. Inbreeding is matching with D. Breeding between the animals of same breed. 2. Interspecific hybridization is matching with A. Cross between 2 different related species. 3. Outcrossing is matching with B. Mating of animals within the same breed but having no common ancestors. 4. Crossbreeding can be matched with C. Superior males of one breed are mated with superior females of another breed. Question number 7. Hisardale is a new breed of sheep developed in Punjab through A. Outcrossing, B. Outbreeding. C. Crossbreeding. D. Interspecific hybridization. Answer C. Crossbreeding. Question number 8. Male and female animals of two different related species are mated. In some cases, the progeny may combine the desirable features of both the parents. Name the type of hybridization. Answer interspecific hybridization. Question 9. Explain the steps of controlled breeding experiments carried out using artificial insemination. Write its advantages. The steps are: collect semen from the male parent, inject the semen into the reproductive tract of the selected female parent, and this helps to overcome several problems of normal mating, like desirable male may not be available at the time of heat of female. A male has limited ability for mating. It can spread contagious sexually transmitted diseases. Other advantages: the semen of a single superior bull can be used to inseminate a number of female cattle. The collected semen may be used immediately or can be frozen and used at a later date. Frozen semen can be transported to where the female is housed. Question number 10. To improve the chances of successful production of hybrids, MOET is employed. Questions A. Expand MOET. B. Explain the steps involved in MOET. Answer. MOET is multiple ovulation embryo transfer technology. Steps. A cow is administered with FSH hormones to induce follicular maturation. They produce 6 to 8 cells instead of one egg per cycle. And cow is mated with elite bull or artificially inseminated. Zygote at 8 to 32 cells are recovered non-surgically and transferred to surrogate mothers. The genetic mother is available for another round of superovulation. Question number 11. Dash is the common species of honeybee in India. Answer. Apis indica. Question number 12. Beekeeping is the maintenance of hives of honeybees for the production of honey. Illustrate the important steps for successful beekeeping. Answer. Knowledge of the nature and habit of bees, selection of suitable location for keeping the beehives, catching and hiving of swarms, management of beehives during different seasons, handling and collecting honey and bee wax. Question number 13. Observe the relationship between the first two terms and fill in the blanks. Pair is IR8 rice, Atlas 66 is dash. Answer is wheat. Question number 14. Carefully read the statements given below related to the steps in plant breeding. Choose the correct sequence. 1. Testing and commercialization of new variety. 2. Evaluation and selection of parents. 3. Selecting and testing superior recombinants. 4. Cross hybridization among the selected parents. 5. Collection of variability. If you check the choices, A is found to be the right choice. That indicates 5, 2, 4, 3, 1 are the steps in that order. That is, collection of variability is the first step. Second step is evaluation and selection of parents. Third step is cross hybridization among the selected parents. Fourth step, selecting and testing superior recombinants. And the last step is the first one, testing and commercialization of new variety. Question 15. Observe the statements given below. A. High yielding disease resistant wheat. B. Semi-dwarf variety of wheat developed in Taiwan. C. Semi-dwarf variety rice developed in India. D. Semi-dwarf variety rice developed in Philippines. Fill up column B using the above statements. Column A is having A. Kalyan Sona and Sonalika. It is high yielding disease resistant wheat. B. IR8. Semi-dwarf variety of rice developed in Philippines. C. Taichung Native 1. Semi-dwarf variety of rice developed in Taiwan. And D. Jaya. Semi-dwarf variety of rice developed in India. Question number 16. Some of the plant diseases and their causative organisms are given below. Find out the correct match pairs. 1. Brown rust of wheat, bacteria. 2. Late blight of potato, fungi. 3. Turnip mosaic virus. 4. Black rot of crucifers, fungi. B. Question. Name 2 conventional methods of breeding for disease resistance. Answer. Among the list given below, the second match pair, late blight of potato, fungi, and fourth match pair, black rot of crucifers, fungi, are the correct matching pairs. And the 2 conventional methods for disease resistance are hybridization and selection. Question number 17. Name the disease resistant variety of wheat developed against Hillbund disease. Answer. Himgiri. Question number 18. Observe the table and fill A, B, C and D. Crop, variety, resistance to disease are the 3 columns. First row, chili dash chili mosaic virus. Second row, B dash Pusa sornim and white rust. Cauliflower, Pusa snowball K1, C dash cowpea, D dash bacterial blight. Answer. A. Pusa sadabahar. B. Brassica. C. Black rot or kale blight black rot. And D. Pusa komal. Question number 19. Construct a table with column A crop and column B variety using the hints given below. Hints: wheat, brassica, cowpea, cauliflower, Pusa sornim, Pusa subra, himgiri and Pusa komal. Answer. Crop column, wheat, brassica, cowpea, cauliflower, and the variety column, wheat is himgiri, brassica is Pusa sornim, cowpea Pusa komal, cauliflower Pusa subra. Question number 20. Give one example each of variety developed against white rust and bacterial blight. Answer. White rust Pusa sornim, bacterial blight Pusa komal. Question number 21. In mung bean, 2 varieties are developed through mutation breeding for disease resistance. Name the diseases for which the varieties are produced. 2. Name 2 agents that induce mutation. Answer. 1. A. Resistance against yellow mosaic virus, and B variety is having resistance to powdery mildew. Now, 2 agents which cause mutation are chemicals like colchicine and radiations like gamma. Question number 22. Parbhani Kranti is a resistant variety of bindi, lady's finger. A. Which disease this breed is resistant to? B. Name the scientific name of Parbhani Kranti. Question. Answer. A. Yellow mosaic virus. B. Abelmoschus esculentus is the scientific name. Question 23. Observe the terms given below. Arrange them in the order of crop, variety and insect pests in 3 columns. Pusa Gaurav, Aphids, Shoot and Fruit Borer, Brassica, Pusa Sem 3, Okra, Pusa Savani, and Pusa A4. Answer. Column A is having Brassica. Variety is Pusa Gaurav, which is against the aphids, insects. Second, Okra. The variety is Pusa Savani, which is resistant to shoot and fruit borer. Question 24. The most practical means to improve the public health is biofortification. What do you mean by biofortification? List out its main objectives. Answer. Breeding crops with higher levels of vitamins, minerals, higher proteins and healthier fats is called biofortification. The main objectives of this biofortification are: 1. To improve the protein content and quality. 2. To improve oil content and quality. 3. To improve vitamin content. And 4. To improve micronutrient and mineral content. Question number 25. Fill in the blank. Dash is a wheat variety with a high protein content and used as a donor for improving cultivated wheat. Answer. Atlas 66. Question number 26. Indian Agricultural Institute, New Delhi, developed vegetables with enriched vitamin and minerals. Write 2 examples of vitamin A, iron and calcium enriched vegetables. Answer. Vitamin A enriched carrot and pumpkin. Iron and calcium enriched spinach and bathua. Question number 27. SCP is an alternate source of protein. Question 1. Expand SCP. And 2. Name 2 microbes used in SCP production. Answer. SCP is single cell protein. Answer to the second question. Examples are Spirulina, Methylophilus methylotrophus bacteria. Question number 28. Explant, totipotency, micropropagation are terms very commonly used in tissue culture. Explain each term. Explant. Any plant part which is taken for tissue culture is called explant. Totipotency. The capacity to generate whole plant from any cell is called totipotency. Micropropagation. Propagation of thousands of plants through tissue culture is known as micropropagation. Question number 29. Fill in the blank. Plants produced through micropropagation are genetically identical to the original plant from which they were grown are known as dash. Answer. Soma clones. Question number 30. Fill in the blank again. The part of plant used for virus-free culture is dash. Answer. Meristem. Question number 31. Pomato is a somatic hybrid. Write how this is developed. Answer. Isolation of single cell each from potato and tomato. Then the digestion of the cell wall. Isolate the protoplast. Fuse to get the hybrid protoplast. This can be grown to form a new plant. നന്നായി മനസ്സിരുത്തി പഠിച്ചോളൂ. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഇതിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാം. അടുത്ത ലെസൺസ് അടുത്ത ഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ. വരാൻ പോകുന്ന പരീക്ഷയിൽ മികച്ച മാർക്ക് നേടാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നതോടൊപ്പം താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്. Subscribe Raju's Science World for more videos.